In this video, I will show you how to change your Kik username on your mobile phone. First, go to Google Chrome app and search for the Kik website. Once you're on the website, click on the three-dot icon on the top right corner, scroll down and make sure the desktop site is checked. This way, you can access your username later. Now log into your Kik account on the desktop site. Next, click on the profile icon on the top right side and look for the settings option. From here, click on profile and then scroll down until you see your username. You will need to enable 2FA to change your username. Click on this hyperlink and then select the Enable 2FA button. Copy the QR code generated below. Now go to Google Play Store and download the Google Authenticator. I already have it installed. Open the app when you are done installing, and then you will want to tap on the Add button and choose Enter Setup Key. Here you want to give that a name, then paste the code you got from Kik here and tap on Add. Now Google Authenticator will give you a 6-digit code within a certain time period. Just copy the code, go back to the Kik website, tap on the green Continue button, and paste the verification code there. Select Continue again. From this page, go back to your profile page and tap on your username. Now you can change it to a username that is not taken. Once you are happy with the name, click on Save Changes. You now need to repeat the step of going back to the Google Authenticator, get a new 6-digit code, and paste it in the verification box again. You have now changed your Kik username. Thanks for watching.